Hey guys, it's Jerome from Illustrator. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make dotted and dashed line in Adobe Illustrator. I know that some of you probably can't find the options because there isn't an option. Well, however there is. I'm going to show you where to find it and how to make your custom dash and dotted line in Adobe Illustrator. Well, actually, you can turn any straight lines or any solid line into a dashed line in Adobe Illustrator. However, if you want to make a dotted line, it's a little bit more complicated, but it's super easy. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to create a dashed line in Adobe Illustrator. Well, all you need to do is actually, let's say I'm going to use just the line tool to create a straight line. So how can we turn it into a dashed line? So all you need to do is actually select the line, go to stroke from the appearance panel. Actually, you can go directly to the appearance panel under the properties panel. If you want, you can also open the appearance panel. It's totally up to you. If you want to open the appearance panel, you can go ahead and go to window and choose appearance. And then you can click on stroke. And then you will see an option here saying dash line. Go ahead and click that option and you will see kind of a random dash line like this. And all you need to do is to change the dash size. I'm going to put 5 and 5. So yeah, basically depending on what you need, if you want to make a little bit longer dash, you can put maybe 10. Or if you want a distance to be the same or different, you can just input the dash and gap right here. 10. I'm going to put 10 for everything for now. Yeah, and if you want to make the dash look a little bit shorter or a little bit closer together, let's say I'm going to put 2. And then 1 maybe. That's pretty much it. That's how easy it is to create a dash line in Adobe Illustrator. And for example, you can also create circle or any other shape with the dash stroke selected. You can always go back to adjust how you want the dash to be. And you can also change the rounded gap. Well, this is too thick. You can change the weight as well. That's how easy it is to create a dash line in Adobe Illustrator. And if you want to change a color, remember that you will be changing the stroke color. Otherwise, if you want to edit it as an object, you should go ahead and go to Object, go to Path and choose Outline Stroke. And then you'll be able to edit it, change the color as kind of an object instead of a stroke. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to create a dotted line in Adobe Illustrator. And the trick is you actually have to make a brush, but it's super easy. All you need to do is create a circle. Okay, and I'm going to choose Ellipse tool, click and drag to make a circle. It doesn't matter the size since we can always adjust that later on. Alright, so once you create a circle, go ahead and open the brushes panel. Go to Window, Brushes, and open the brush panel. Select the circle you just created and drag it to the brush panel. Okay, I'm going to choose Scatter Brush and click OK. You don't have to change the settings for now, but well, you can change the name to Dotted Line and hit OK. And now I'm going to show you how it works. Let's say that you want to create any line or any circle. I'm just going to create a line. And all you need to do is go to the brush panel and select the dotted line or the circle you just created. And you will see kind of a dotted line, however, it's not perfect. You do have to adjust the size a little bit. So double click on the dotted line on your brushes panel. And it's going to open the scatter brush options. And now you'll be able to, you can change the size of the dot. well, make sure to hit the preview button so you are seeing the changes that you are making. So you can make it smaller, and you can also adjust the spacing between the dots. Totally up to you and what your project is. Alright, so once you are happy with your dotted line, so go ahead and just click OK and apply to strokes, and you get your dotted line. Same thing, if you want to change a color, you will be changing the stroke color. Otherwise, you can make it into an object by going to Object, Path, and Outline Stroke. And then you can just go ahead and change the color of the dotted line. Yeah, so it's not that hard, right? So hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my future tutorials.